Be sure to watch the entire video. You'll find out more about Nestle Corporation, the energy drink called Milo, the athlete EJ Ubenia, and the dual gold Olympic medalist Carlos Yulo. Nestle Corporation has been in the Philippines since 1895, and in 1911, officially the first product was sold, a condensed milk in Binondo, Manila. 1944, they launched the first coffee, Nescafe, and 20 years after, Milo energy drink was launched out to the market. This is Roberto from the Philippine Pride channel. We feature everything, anything Filipino. Welcome. Liliwanagin lang po nating sandali ang mga haka-haka, usap-usapan tungkol kay EJ Ubinia, Carlos Yulo, and Milo Corporations or Nestle Corporations. Pamela Takei is the president of marketing in Nestle, and Paulo Mercado is the vice president of Nestle Corporations. And it is just for the record. Pamela Takei and Paulo Mercado, they are open for any question. We could send them an email. But on their professional side, per Nestle Corporation, wala silang sinasabi na Carlos Shulo was fired. Wala din silang sinasabi na EJ Ubinia was hired. So let's just wait for their announcement if there is any. So far, there is none. Maraming salamat po for watching. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and notification bell. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.